Hello everyone, welcome to We Run WP. So today I'm gonna show you how you can import or integrate Adobe fonts on Elementor website. Okay, let's start. First of all, you will have to log into your Adobe font panel. I have already logged in, so it will automatically log me in, and then you will need to find the font which one you want to use on your website. Okay, I'm gonna use this one, Futura PT, and then you will need to click on add to web project. Then click on this arrow. If you already have the any project created, you can add the existing projects, or you can just create a new one. Let me create a new one and give it a name, then click on create. Okay, it's created and it will give you a project ID. Okay, you can take the ID from here too. Just copy it, or you can also get the ID from here. Click on edit project, then you can see the project ID here. Okay, just copy it, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Elementor, click on home, and then click on customize. It will open the editing panel, and to integrate the font with Elementor, you'll need to go to Elementor, then settings. Okay, the site loads a bit slow, so I am loading this first. Let it load. Okay, after coming to the settings, go to integrations and scroll down, and you can see Adobe fonts Typekit. Just paste your ID here, the Adobe project ID. Okay, fonts project ID, copy it, paste it here, then click on save changes. Okay, it's saved, and then go to site settings, refresh this page. Okay, after coming to the site settings, go to global fonts, and you can see the system fonts. Just click on this pencil icon, and you can see the Typekit fonts are available here. All the fonts that you have added to this project will be coming here, and you can select the fonts from here. Okay, it will change the default fonts of the Elementor, and if you want to use the font only on a specific area, then you can just edit that section and click on the widget and change the font from there. Okay, so that's easy process, and this is how you can change the font family or fonts of Adobe to Adobe fonts using Elementor Pro. Okay, that's it. If you need any kind of WordPress related help, just let me know, and you can reach out to me through my website werunwp.com, or through WhatsApp. I will give all the details in the description below. So take care, see you in the next video. Bye bye.